There is a question in every developer's mind right now. What does it mean to be a developer in the age of AI? For decades, being a developer meant writing code line by line, function by function, solving problems one syntax error at a time. But here's the truth. That was never really what made you valuable. Your value wasn't in the typing, it was in the thinking, understanding complex systems, architecting solutions, making decisions that balance performance, maintainability, and user needs, translating ambiguous requirements into elegant software. AI doesn't replace that, it amplifies it. When AI handles the boilerplate, the repetitive patterns, the syntax, you're freed to focus on what humans do best: creative problem solving, strategic thinking, system design. You're not being replaced, you're being promoted from code writer to system architect, from debugging syntax to designing experiences, from individual contributor to force multiplier. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that coding isn't fun, but in the modern day of software development, where so many things need to be addressed for a software to meet basic customer expectations, coding itself can become the long, laborious, and repetitive part of the development. And that's pretty different from having coding as a hobby in your own time, with freedom of decision and facing challenges in your own terms. The developers who thrive won't be the ones who resist AI. They will be the ones who master it, who use it to ship faster, think bigger, solve problems that were previously out of reach. This isn't the end of the developer era. It's the beginning of something better, an era where your expertise matters more, not less, where the tools finally match the ambition of your ideas.